Izakhamuzi zaseNewcastle, Vryheid naseNquthu sezixwayiswe ukuthi ziqaphele njengoba lezi ndawo kuyizona ezijwayele ukukhahlamezeka kakhulu uma kunezimvula ezinkulu.
100% prepared because we have able to call to disaster to assist us. Also, UCOGTA has intervened through ama-bridge because into exhlupha kakhulu i-issue eyamanzi aqhama eBlackbush, and then once lana i-area le usection F iba flooded.
Abafundi bakule ndawo bathi leli bhloho lizokwenza ngcono impilo yabo njengoba bebebhekene nenselele uma kumele beye esikoleni izulu lina.
Ey'koleni ama-uniform abamanzi kuba nzima ukuthi sithole access yokuya ey'koleni because asikwazi ukukrossa ama-bridge and all that, but then umeya since eselenzile-ke i-bridge udlala enkulu indima le.
Umasipala okubalwa kubo abaqulusi i-Alfred Duma, Big 5 Hlabisa, Danhauser, eDumbe, eMadlangeni, eNdumeni, uMsinga, Mthonjwaneni, Newcastle, Nkandla, Nongoma, Nquthu, Ulundi kanye noPhongolo ibona okulindeleke ukuthi bakhahlamezeke kakhulu.
The MEC for COGTA, Reverend Thulasizwe Buthelezi, has embarked on a program to issue out lightning conductors to strategic areas within communities, and key areas that we've prioritized include Newcastle, Vryheid, and parts of the Nquthu area.